Hi friends, welcome to my Digital Veki YouTube channel. Today I am showing how to upload a video on YouTube channel. To upload a video on YouTube channel, first of all you have a Gmail account. Go to YouTube and log in with your Gmail account. Once you log in with your Gmail account, click on profile. Here under switch accounts, you will find all your YouTube channels. In previous video, I show you how to create a YouTube channel. Refer that. Select the YouTube channel on which you want to upload a video. Once you click on that YouTube channel, it go to that particular channel's dashboard. On channel's dashboard, click on plus button on right top. Once you click on that plus, you find two options: go live and upload video. Select upload video option. There it shows the option how to upload video. Select files to upload. Here it is showing public or private, scheduled and listed. Public means it will be visible to all people. Private means it will be visible only for you. Scheduled means in future date, maybe tomorrow I don't have time to upload video. So I am scheduling right now for tomorrow video, like that. I I selected public. Click on this no file chosen. I am selecting the file. Now I am uploading a video. How to create a Facebook page. I am selecting this one. Click on open. It asks us to give title, description and tags. Here it is uploading, showing us a percentage. I already created a description in Notepad, so I just copy it and paste there. How to create a Facebook page title. If you want to modify it, you can here modify it. Here you can give tags. You can give up to 500 words. Maximum limit is 500 words. Even I selected 4 words for tags, so I just copy and pasting there. Paste. Paste. It is uploading 84%. Here it is showing custom thumbnail. If we want to add any image on thumbnail, we can select here custom thumbnail and select the image which we like. Here I already created a thumbnail. I'm just selecting that one. Okay, later I will show you how to upload the thumbnail. 95%. Leave it about translations and advanced settings. In advanced settings, here one option is important: comments. If you want to our viewers can comment on your video, check box this one. If you don't want to comment anyone, leave this as empty. I want to people comment on my video, so I am selecting that one. It was completed. Now I am just clicking on publish. Once it now it was live. If you want to end out, can I'm just copy pasting it. See, here our video is live. Thank you for watching.
Today
If you
I
like
am
the
going
video,
to show
please
how to
comment on
create
video.